Imagine if we could hear the sun. Intriguing, isn't it? The sun, a colossal fiery ball, does produce sound. But here's the catch. Sound can't travel through space. Why? Because it's a vacuum. Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel through, and space simply doesn't offer that. Now, if we could somehow replace that vacuum with air, the sun would be deafeningly loud. Picture this. It's about 100 decibels, equivalent to a chainsaw or a rock concert, and that's from 93 million miles away. So in essence, the sun is a silent rock star, performing a cosmic concert we can't hear. Fascinating, isn't it? Ponder on that, and until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our universe.